Have you ever wished you could hit a reset button for your body? Like a deep internal spring cleaning that gets rid of all the junk and makes everything run smoother? Well, what if I told you that you already have this powerful system built right in? And what if the key to turning it on was simply not eating? It sounds almost too simple, but this process is a Nobel Prize-winning discovery called autophagy. Let's break that down. Auto means self and phagy means to eat. So autophagy literally means self-eating. But don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Think of it as your body's ultimate Marie Kondo. It's a cellular recycling program where your cells identify old, damaged, or dysfunctional parts, like worn-out proteins, broken-down mitochondria, and other cellular debris, and systematically break them down. But here's the cool part. Your body doesn't just throw this stuff away. It recycles the raw materials. It takes those broken-down components and uses them as building blocks to create new, healthy, and fully functional cell parts. It's the ultimate in biological efficiency and sustainability. So you're not just cleaning house. You're also getting fresh new materials to repair and rejuvenate your cells from the inside out. But how do you actually switch this incredible system on? The most reliable and accessible trigger for autophagy is fasting. See, when we're constantly eating, our bodies are in growth and storage mode. Our insulin levels are up, and nutrient-sensing pathways are firing on all cylinders, telling our cells to grow, divide, and store energy. Autophagy, on the other hand, is a repair and maintenance program. It only gets activated when the growth signals go quiet. When you fast for about 12 to 24 hours, your insulin levels drop significantly. This drop signals to your body that there's no new energy coming in, so it's time to shift gears. Instead of focusing on digesting food, your body turns its attention inward. It's like telling your internal maintenance crew, okay, the factory is closed for the day, time to go in and clean up. This is your cellular spring cleaning. Your cells start diligently clearing out all the accumulated junk, the misfolded proteins and tired-out organelles that can contribute to cellular stress and aging. By clearing out this clutter, you're creating a more efficient and resilient cellular environment. The benefits of this process are absolutely massive. Scientists have linked robust autophagy to some incredible health outcomes. For brain health, it helps clear out protein plaques associated with neurodegenerative diseases. For your immune system, it helps recycle old immune cells and can even help fight off pathogens. It improves metabolic health by making your cells more sensitive to insulin. And because it reduces cellular stress and damage, many researchers believe it plays a key role in promoting longevity and a longer health span. Now, you don't need to do a multi-day water fast to get these benefits. One of the most popular and practical ways to tap into autophagy is through intermittent fasting, like the 16-8 method. This is where you fast for 16 hours and have an 8-hour eating window. For most people, this is as simple as finishing dinner by 8 p.m. and then not eating again until noon the next day. By just pushing your breakfast back a few hours, you're giving your body a consistent daily window to activate this powerful cleanup process. But a quick word of caution. While fasting is an amazing tool, it's not for everyone. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, underweight, or have a medical condition like diabetes or a history of eating disorders, it's crucial to talk to your doctor before starting any kind of fasting regimen. It's a powerful intervention, so you want to make sure it's right for you. Ultimately, fasting isn't about deprivation. It's about giving your body the time and space it needs to do its job. It's a biological reset, a chance for your cells to repair, renew, and thrive. So the next time you hear your stomach rumble, maybe just think of it as the sound of your body getting ready to take out the trash. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with someone you know. And let me know in the comments. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.